Introducing the K8 Pro, our first ever QMK wireless mechanical keyboard that supports QMK and VIA right out of the box. The K8 Pro is completely revolutionizing the typing experience from the inside out. The new double-shot OSA profile PBT keycaps add more comfortability and thought feel. The double-shot PBT keycaps prevent the legends from fading out and the keycap surfaces from oil-greasy shine. Internally, the newly upgraded bottom acoustic silicone pad, PCB mount stabilizers, and sound-absorbing foam provide each downstroke on the keyboard to have a much better typing sound. In addition to an outstanding tactile feel, the K8 Pro supports VIA key configuration to allow you to have the capability to fully customize and program each key on the keyboard much easier. With its Bluetooth 5.1 wireless connectivity, enjoy a stable and smooth wireless experience with up to 3 devices simultaneously. The K8 Pro fully supports Mac OS function keys and also Windows layout. You can even adjust the keyboard to your preferred angle with its ergonomically adjustable feet. Not to mention, it also has embedded south-facing RGB lights and hot-swappable switch functions. With all of these premium features, the Keychron K8 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard will deliver an epic typing experience and optimize your productivity.